Okay, so think about the last time something really mattered to you. Right before it happened, your stomach started going insane, fluttering, turning, like something alive was in there. And I realized I had no idea why that actually happens, so I looked it up. And honestly, it's way more fascinating than I expected. We call it butterflies in the stomach, and almost every human being on the planet has felt it. But here's the thing nobody tells you. There are no butterflies in there, obviously. But what's actually happening is so much more fascinating than a metaphor. It starts with your brain. The moment your brain detects a threat, or even just something exciting, your body hits the panic button. Same system your ancestors used running from predators, millions of years old, still running inside you right now. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a lion chasing you and a first date. Both feel dangerous. Both trigger the same response. Adrenaline floods your system. Your heart rate jumps. Your muscles tense up. And here's where the stomach comes in. Your body decides in that moment that digestion is not a priority. You might need to run. You might need to fight. So, blood gets redirected away from your digestive system and toward your muscles and vital organs. And when that happens, when blood suddenly rushes away from your stomach, the muscles in your gut contract. They spasm, they flutter, and that's the feeling. That's the butterflies. Your gut just lost its blood supply for a second, and it freaked out. Not actual butterflies, just your gut muscles doing something they weren't designed to do. And once you understand that, you can never unfeel it the same way. Because now you know what's actually happening. Your body activated an ancient survival system. Just because you were nervous about a job interview, or a first date, or standing up in front of a crowd, your brain treated all of those like life or death situations. And your stomach paid the price. But here's what makes this even more interesting. Your gut has its own nervous system. Over 100 million nerve cells, more than your entire spinal cord. And scientists actually call it your second brain. And this second brain is in constant communication with your actual brain. There's a nerve connecting them directly, and it works fast. So when your brain gets stressed or excited, it sends signals directly to your gut, and your gut responds immediately, physically. That's why emotions feel physical. That's why heartbreak feels like an actual pain in your chest. That's why anxiety lives in your stomach. Your gut is literally feeling your emotions alongside your brain. And scientists only discovered this in the last 30 years. We had no idea this was happening inside us. And this connection goes both ways. When your gut is unhealthy, your brain feels it. When your brain is stressed, your gut feels it. They're not separate systems. They're one system. And most people have no idea this is happening inside them right now, every single day. But not all butterflies feel the same. And this is the part that got me. The butterflies you feel before something you're dreading, like public speaking, feel completely different from the butterflies you feel before something exciting, like seeing someone you love. Same physical sensation, completely different emotional context. And your brain decides which one it is, based on how you interpret the situation, which means you can actually change how butterflies feel. There's actually a study that found something incredible. People who just told themselves, "I am excited," before something stressful, performed way better than people who tried to calm down. Because excitement and anxiety feel almost exactly the same in your body. Same heart rate, same adrenaline, same gut response. The only difference is the story your brain tells about what's happening. So the butterflies aren't the enemy. They're information. Your body telling you that something matters, that you care, that this moment is real. And here's something most people never think about. Some people genuinely never feel butterflies, ever. And that sounds like a dream, right? No nerves, no stomach flipping, no anxiety before big moments. But researchers say it actually makes performance worse. Those butterflies are literally what gets your body into gear. Athletes feel it before big games. Musicians feel it before performances. Surgeons feel it before complex operations. The best performers in the world don't try to eliminate the butterflies. They use them. They channel that energy. They let the flutter become fuel. And here's the part that changed how I think about nervousness completely. The fact that you get butterflies means your nervous system is working perfectly. It means your brain identified something important. It means you care enough for your body to react. That's not weakness. That's your body doing exactly what it was designed to do. So the next time you feel that strange sensation in your stomach, right before something that matters, remember what's actually happening. Your brain identified something important. It activated your entire system. It redirected blood. It tensed your muscles. It flooded you with adrenaline. All so you could perform at your best. All because this moment matters enough for your body to react. The butterflies aren't a sign that something is wrong. They're a sign that something is right. That you're alive. That you care. That you're about to do something that matters. Don't fight the feeling. Let them flutter. Use the feeling. And go do the thing anyway. That's your body actually working for you.